I'm Caroline McMillan Portillo.
And I'm Celeste Smith, and we're the team that brings you Shop Talk, your small business help center.
Through Shop Talk, we tell you about small business owners and startup founders who've used their savvy to solve a problem or carve a niche in the marketplace. You'll find stories on well-known institutions like Queen City Audio, Video, and Appliances, which climbed out of bankruptcy, and Noda Brewing Company, which owners Tom and Susie Ford started with their retirement savings. But we'll also introduce you to entrepreneurs you don't know, who still have powerful stories to tell, like our piece on a local inventor's journey to create a light bulb that operates with a switch, even when the power is out.
And every edition is packed with practical tips and advice from local experts. Reach out to us on Twitter at CBMcMillan or at Celeste Smith OBS, or follow us on our blog at shoptalkclt.blogspot.com.
Follow us in the Charlotte Observer's Wednesday print edition and online at charlotteobserver.com/shoptalk.